Shwmae bore da, and good morning. Welcome to our live broadcast of Sunday morning worship to our Old Father Odin and our Welsh God, Gwydion. In the past week or so, we have seen across the news those terrible scenes of so much religious and ethnic hatred. As a Welshman, it's difficult to comprehend such hatred just because you are of a different faith, a different creed, a different colour, a different culture. Wales has always welcomed people from all corners of the world. And particularly, I think of the International Eisteddfodau at Llangollen, where so many cultures from around the world congregated to that maes, and we learned so much from each other. Different music, different cultures, different languages, different foods, different faiths. We are collective together on that maes as one people. I also think of the ordinary men and boys down the Welsh valleys who downed their tools and left for Spain to fight in the Spanish Civil War against that brutal dictator, Franco. Wales will always welcome everybody. Doesn't matter what faith, creed, or colour you are, there will be always a welcome here in Wales. I've always said to you that all of our faiths, doesn't matter if you're Hindu, Buddhist, Sikh, Rastafarian, Jewish, it doesn't matter who or what you are. We all form a multifaceted diamond with all our different faiths and cultures and traditions. And yet we shine in that one true light. And by integrating and learning from each other, that multifaceted diamond begins to turn and sparkle in that one everlasting true light. May that true light be your peace on this Sunday morning. Every blessing to you all.
In
And so on this Sunday morning, we'll hear now the stanza 164 in the reconstructed Norse language, the good wishes of our Old Father Odin. Nu ero hofamol crefin, hofa olo I. Althoth o tasn thoth I agnason, heilso echfa, heilso erka. Nioteson nam heiliar thester.
Well, a very good morning and welcome to this live broadcast of Sunday morning worship. And so we begin with the Hail Dargar. Hail Dargar Sinir, Hail Nocht och Nipt or Reithum Achum, Leithith Okra Thinnig, Och giveth Sityon Dom Sigir. Hail ya Asir, Hail a hos Senior, Hail Sior in nitun fold mol ac manvid, giveth okra baron fem, och last nis Henry, Mithium, Livum. And so here in the sanctuary, in the peace and in the safety of this holy place, we come together before the holy flame burning before us live, the presence of the divine amongst us. And so we begin now the offerings of the morning. And we'll hear in Welsh the offerings being given. Light before us, mystic, holy flames, sanctuary of peace and wisdom, illumination of love and peace, light of the divine, bless us with your light. Colani hol blaeni, flammair sancteidd cafrin, Nothfa heddwch ar doerthyneb, coleo cariad a heddwch, goleini a drifiol bendithiani bolani. By this light, we are in stillness, wisdom before us, divinity before us. May these holy flames ascend our prayers. Gana col ni hwn, radimiwn llaninoch, do'r thyneb gerin bron, dwi'n nefiaeth o'n blaen, ba fyddiaeth flamau sanctir hyn, esgyn hyn gwyddiau. And so we conclude the morning prayers with the Lord's Prayer in the reconstructed ancient Norse language. Fedrwy, ffwthau alto hil fannu, Sithin name algord, Tobig mathin rija, I war a thin wheeler, O ner o waswam, Heathair thnu, Or ne a naif wam likenlaf, Swilly horse to die, And for new force or eiglithus, Swaswa way for away, Thom gultendom, And nial ar thws ar custom ge, ac e lws hwrs of ei file, soth legia. And so we conclude the morning worship, as we do every Sunday, by singing the hymn, With Joy We Meditate. From here in the sanctuary life on this Sunday morning, My blessings to you all as your pastor. Happy Sunday.